take it. She'll get worked up again in a minute.
She sees the kittens eating. She smells the cat food. What's wrong, Chunky? You should just do it one more time.
Come on. Here, let me hold you up here. No, she's wanting to get down now.
Oh, yeah, she smells the cat food. Chunky!
I'm not doing anything to her. She just wants down. She just wants in that cat food.